students can attend their classes from the comfort of their homes, saving time and energy spent on commuting. Online platforms offer access to a vast range of resources like recorded lectures, ebooks, online tutorials, which enhances learning. These classes also allow students to learn at their own pace, revisiting difficult topics as needed. Online education breaks geographical barriers, making quality education accessible to students in remote areas. It also helps students. It also helps students. It also helps students develop tech skills which are essential in today's digital world. Online classrooms, online classrooms make sure Online classrooms make sure self-discipline and independence as students manage their time for studies. Teachers can use innovative tools like animations, presentations, and quizzes to make the lessons more engaging. In emergencies like pandemics, as we all have seen, online classes ensures that learning continues without any interruption. It also reduces cost for institutions and students by cutting down on expenses for uniforms, transportation, and infrastructure. With advancement in technology, online education is becoming more interactive and effective, making it a strong alternative to traditional classes. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Shandar.
So, as my worthy friend has mentioned a lot of benefits of online classes, but I totally disagree with her. So now I'm gonna express my views in against of the topic. Firstly, I would like to say that classrooms have a direct effect on our learning and understanding processes. Back in the day, classrooms means only physical classroom, not online classrooms. Online classrooms have gained immense popularity, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic. But online classroom cannot replace completely physical classrooms because they can't replicate the social interactions, hands-on experiences, and immediate feedback responses that in-person learning provides. It has so many disadvantages like lack of social interaction. Online learning can make it difficult for students to interact with people or collaborate with others and to develop their social skills. The second will be the impersonal learning environment. The physical distance between the teacher and the students can make it more harder for students to feel comfortable to share their experiences, your thoughts, the ideas, the opinion that they have. The third one was the access to the technology. Like not all